everyone, I wanted to go ahead and walk you through how to access our page numbers in our textbook. So I'm not quite sure why just last week I had a couple of students asking how to access the pages. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So here I am just accessing our book. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and at this point recommend that you guys, are using the digital PDF version because I know that there are page numbers with that particular version. So I think some of you guys are looking over here to the left. These are not actual page numbers of the book. The page numbers of the book don't actually start until the content begins. So for instance, here's page 15 up here on the top left hand side. Here's page 14 on the top right hand side. So for this week, I believe we're going to page 266, and I know there's easier ways to do this. Scroll down, page 68. So that's how we're accessing page numbers. So again, I'm not quite sure which version you guys were using. Some students said there are not page numbers, or that our book doesn't go to page 266. So again, I'm not quite sure which version you guys were looking at. Okay, so again, page numbers are either on the top right, the top left, and even in some instances, I believe like at the very beginning content pages, I've seen them down here at the bottom. So yeah, that's how you access them. Let me know if you